Now let us see this example. Second, 1.27 recurring in the form P by Q. So how we shall start now? Let x is equal to 1.27 recurring. Means what? X is equal to 1 point. Now see this recurring on 2 digits now, 27 means 27, 27, 27 like this. So this decimal expansion is given. Now this is answer of which divisions that we have to find. So now here how many digit recurs? 2727 means 2 digit recurs. So 2 digit recurs means on 1 you put 20, it becomes 100. You have to multiply here both sides by 100. So 100 yaws is equal to, now when you multiply this side by 100, the decimal will go how many places to the right hand side? 2 zeros means 2 places. So it will be 127 point. This will come here. Then this will continue 27, 27. So this is second statement. Now this from second now same. You subtract the first. So write again 100x is equal to 127.2727. Second example, x is equal to, now first 1 point, now this will come here 1.2727. This is first. What we shall do now? Put here minus, this become minus, this one become minus, this part also become minus. So that will get cancelled. So 7 minus 1, 6, here 126, and here how much now? 99 yards. Now we can find that. So yards is equal to 126 upon 99. So they are divisible by 3. You have to simplify, huh? 3 3, 3 4 ta, 3 2 ta. So 42 upon 33. I think again divisible by 1. 3. 3 1 ta, 3 1 ta, 3 1 ta, 3 4 ta. That is 14 upon 11. And now you can write, therefore, x is equal to 14 upon 11 means, x means what? 1.27 recurring. It is decimal form of this rational number, 14 upon 11. Got now? So now, like this we have to, so what we have to remember? How many digits recurs? You have to count them, and one put those number of digits in the those number of zeros. So if 3 digit recurs, you have to be, it will be 1000. You have to multiply by 1000 like that. Now we shall consider that type of example. Okay. Now see. So now express third example, 0.125 recurring in the form P bar Q. So now we are given that let x is equal to 0.125 recurring. Means what? X is equal to 0.125, 125. So this is given to us. So how many digits recurs now? 125, 125, 3 digit repeats. So you have to multiply by 1000. On 1 you have to put 30. So if you multiply here by 1000, it will be 1000 x is equal to, this will move now to 3 places to the right hand side, because we are going to take 3 zeros, no, 1000 means. So it is 1, 2, 5, and this will come here 1, 1, 2, 5 like this. Second statement. Now from this you have to subtract this. So 1000 here is equal to 125.125 recurring, second statement, minus first. x is equal to 0 point. So it will come here now 0.125 like this first step. If you want, you can write one more time here. Okay? So when you put minus here, it will minus, this will minus. This part get cancelled. 125 remains is equal to 1000x upon 1000x minus x. X means it is 1x, so it is 999x. And so x is equal to 125 upon 999. So 5, 2, 7, 8. So this is not divisible. And therefore now you can write 0.125 recurring. It is rational, the decimal expansion of which number? 125 upon 999. Okay. So now from all these examples, just now see first 0.3, 1/3, isn't it? So it is, that is 0.3, it was 1/3 means we are getting, see second example I want to give you. That suppose now here 3-digit recurring upon 999. Suppose in the second example you are getting that upon 2 digits were recurring, so which is there 1.27 is equal to, here you are getting upon 99, and 0.3 you are getting there upon 9. So if only 1 digit recurs, you get upon 9 1 times, 2 digit recurs, you get upon 99 2 times. If 3 digit recurs, you get upon 999. Like that, you should remember. That means suppose, what I want to tell you, suppose 0.25 is rational form of this. They will give some answer. In one answer, there will be only, so of course, numerator will be there. Second answer, there will be 2 times 9. Numerator will be there. Third time, numerator upon 999, 3 times. So if 2 digit recurs, no, this will be there. Like that, you have to guess. So